Hello guys, I am Himnesh and today in our Science and Circuit channel I'm going to show you that in Diwali many people scared to ignite the firework using hands, okay? Hands and matchsticks. So I have made a new trick to do it. You have seen many YouTubers who make videos and show that we can only ignite them using batteries, not with AC current. So I found a new way. I thought that every people has a mobile charger in his home. So first you have to take any charger. You have to take a long wire like this. I just shown you. Here is a charger. Okay. Here is a charger. And it's a long wire up to here. Okay. Then you have to take a stainless steel scrubber. I have taken a part of it. Then you have to just take it out. Take one of this out and break it. Then you can see this and this you can see. Okay. This thing should be placed here with a clip of this and a clip in this. You have just seen. Okay, it's not heating now. I'll show you when it is heating. So I have take out the paper and I'm going to ignite it. So let's do it. Yes, it is touching it. You can just see. Yes, one thing that you should not turn on the switch for many seconds. Just a few seconds, okay? And 3, 2, 1. That's it. Okay? It's nothing. Wait. A little bit time. And it is nothing. See, the microphone is also not damaged yet. This is a very good thing. Another seat. Let's try it with a rocket. I'm doing it. Don't try this alone. Please try it in an adult supervision. The cameraman is an adult, so I am trying it. To ignite your rocket. Okay. Yes, we should take the nichrome wire of the stainless steel scrubber in this thing, okay? When it will fire, the thing will go up and the thrusters will start and boom! Okay, let's try it. I place the rocket here. That the nichrome wire should touch it. Let's ignite it. Rocket launching! 3, 2, 1. Launching. What happened? That was an hide up. What is this? Are you serious? Rocket is here in the nozzle. Bye bye. Let's try one more rocket. Okay? So, I've set it. So, I've just set the rocket and it will be launched in 3, 2, 1. Launching! Let's try it with an anar. So this is an anar and it is there. Okay? Start it. Right hand side. So launching it in 3, 2, 1. Let's see. we can ignite any Diwali bombs using mobile charger and stainless scrubber only. So, to see this type of videos, subscribe my channel and click on the bell button and like the video. So bye bye. Meet you in another video.